Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Alright, so if this is your first time of coming across to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainybite tutorials. Alright, so what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, admission, schools updates, and every other things, WAEC, NECO, and every other things you need to know about your admission journey. Alright, so if this is your first time of coming here and you have not subscribed, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that once I drop any updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. Alright, so if you have subscribed already, thank you so much. Alright, so please, the reason why you are subscribing to our YouTube channel is because when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we are uploading videos on YouTube on daily basis. Alright, update. As long as you are a jamb university aspirant, you need information and you need updates. All right, so you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on bell notifications so that, because we are dropping updates, vital information that you need, right, so to navigate your admission journey. So you need to subscribe and turn on bell notifications, and whenever I drop any update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so having said all of, guys, let's get right. So today, the topic of today is list of courses offered in Funai. All right, of course you know Funai, Alex Ekweme University. All right, so before I go there, I want to introduce you to our WhatsApp platform. All right, it is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Of course, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join us on our WhatsApp group. So right there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to what the ongoing NECO answers, your school of choice, post-UTME updated past questions and answers, and a host of other things you benefit from there. All right, you will like it, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, if this video is helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's go. So we are starting from the first one. The first one on our list is accounting. Accounting is the first one on our list. After accounting, we have agricultural science and education. After agricultural science and education, we have agriculture. After agriculture, we have anatomy. After anatomy, we have applied geophysics. After applied geophysics, we have architecture. After architecture, we have banking and finance. After banking and finance, we have biochemistry. After biochemistry, we have biology. After biology, we have biotechnology. After biotechnology, we have botany. After botany, we have business administration. After business administration, we have business education. After business education, we have chemical engineering. After chemical engineering, we have chemistry. After chemistry, we have Christian religious studies. After Christian religious studies, we have civil engineering. After civil engineering, we have computer science. After computer science, we have criminology and security studies. After criminology and security studies, we have economics. After economics, we have education and biology. After education and biology, we have education and chemistry. After education and chemistry, we have education and mathematics. After education and mathematics, we have education and physics. After education and physics, we have education and English and literary studies. After education and English and literary studies, we have educational management. After educational management, we have electrical and electronics engineering. After electrical and electronics engineering, we have English language. After English language, we have environmental management and toxicology. After environmental management and toxicology, we have estate management. After estate management, we have fine arts and fine and applied arts. Alright, so after fine arts and fine and applied arts, so we have fisheries and aquaculture. After fisheries and aquaculture, we have French. After French, we have geography. After geography, we have geology. After geology, we have geology and geophysics. After geology and geophysics, we have guidance and counseling. After guidance and counseling, we have history. After history, we have Igbo. After Igbo, we have Islamic studies. After Islamic studies, we have law. After law, we have library and information science. After library and information science, we have linguistics. After linguistics, we have linguistics of option English. After linguistics of option English, we have linguistics option French. After linguistics of option French, we have linguistics option Igbo. After linguistics option Igbo, we have mass communication. After mass communication, we have mathematics. After mathematics, we have mechanical engineering. After mechanical engineering, we have mechatronics engineering. After mechatronics engineering, we have medicine and surgery. After medicine and surgery, we have microbiology. After microbiology, we have molecular biology. After molecular biology, we have music. After music, we have Nigerian languages. After Nigerian languages, we have petroleum engineering. After petroleum engineering, we have philosophy. After philosophy, we have physical and health education. After physical and health education, we have physics. After physics, we have physiology. After physiology, we have physiotherapy. After physiotherapy, we have political science. After political science, we have psychology. After psychology, we have quantity surveying. After quantity surveying, we have religious studies. After religious studies, of course, we have sociology. After sociology, we have statistics. After statistics, we have surveying and geoinformatics. After surveying and geoinformatics, we have visual and applied art. After that, the last on our list, we have zoology. Alright, so if this video has helped you to this very moment, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, share to your friend and subscribe, right, for more updates. Alright, so if you want to join us, let me know in the comments. If there is anything that's bothering you, want me to help you and do, also let me know in the comment section. Alright, I'll be ready to answer all of your comments. Alright, so this we are ending this video today. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. Alright, keep winning.